over the last 2 months... Hello everybody, we're still Coola Moola. First and foremost, we'd like to thank all you lovely people for helping us out so far in our funded campaign. Thank you! Now, as we've got this far, we're attempting one final push to reach our target of €1,000 for the release of our debut album. All the work is done, we just have to cover the printing costs and the distribution. Over the last few months we've been rampaging around the place, playing tunes, bringing our music to people all over the country. We've gone as far as Castlebar, Dublin and our hometown Galway. If you haven't been to one of our gigs yet, just check out this link and you can have a look at some of our music and different things we've been doing lately. Thank you guys. Here's a little collection of videos of what we've been at for the last 6 months. We'd like to say thank you again to everyone that has donated so far, and we're very happy to have any more assistance along the way. like to help out, check out this link on our Fund It page, and there are many different options in which you will receive remunerous rewards.